Welcome, you're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Bike stolen from Daman Bhas residence in Nongpo. Chief Minister remains under doctor's observation. Union leaders demand full implementation of MRCWS. And villagers protest transfer to Rambraijar constituency. And now the news in detail. Daman Bha Padedkar reported his bike bearing registration number ML10C8994 was stolen from his house in Downgate, Nongpo on August 28th between 2 and 3 a.m. Authorities and locals are urged to assist in the search for the stolen bike. Anyone with information or who has seen the vehicle is requested to contact the owner at 88372 3290. Chief Minister Samla, who fell ill on August 23rd, remains under doctor's observation and has been unable to attend the State Legislative Assembly. He is currently under examination by doctors from Civil Hospital and NEHU. In his absence, all responses to be addressed at the Legislative Assembly on August 29th have been delegated to Baprastun Tensong, Deputy Chief Minister. Tensong will handle all necessary proceedings and ensure that the Assembly's agenda is managed effectively during the Chief Minister's ongoing health crisis. On August 28th, leaders of the All Jaintia Master Workers and Labourers Union (NEHU) addressed the media at Shillong Press Club expressing dissatisfaction with Chief Minister Samla's written reply regarding the Meghalaya Regular Casual Workers Scheme (MRCWS). They highlighted that while the scheme has been introduced across all government departments, its implementation has been inconsistent. According to the union, only a few departments have adopted the MRCWS so far. Dayowan P. Yakai, president of the NEHU, urged all government departments to fully implement the scheme to benefit muster workers in the district. The union leaders emphasized the importance of comprehensive adoption to ensure fair treatment and benefits for all eligible workers.
Keren nagabanta kanika start question jong is mirror sale MLA nanongko bila keren nga hang to RCW nagabanta jong iki daily wages ni ya kanika answer ba isa CM ila answer tunin kasi ba ila ong ba ya kanika scheme la implemented habarok department naliung jongi Gentiles ni siyam kamday kumta don ki department kiba long lightly kipon number 1 katay ka fully implemented don ki department kiba half implemented don ki department but non implemented ye kani ka scheme ye kani ka fully implemented katay kani ka water and soil conservation department ang taga horti agriculture kani ka half implemented pan kidai ki PWD hakani half implemented jumon pagi aitang ya status yaki masrul dani ki daily wages badan abarok department badan ko agents dan ya ka scheme ka ba ya ka tu ka benefits ka badan ko ka scheme pa ngimdan ngimya jimon to niya ta ka status ya ka non implemented pa ni don ka PHE department buat kanika art and culture department kini tang ka status lu kim ya Discovery part ni slosi nakaliang kasanjuni namarba haga education department part dan kiba master kiba dan hangi ha department by tangi ya katu ka status ro kimyo nrai kiyo part da kaba kiyale ek case sa high court da ka order jong ka high court kiyo part ya kanika status jong ka RCW. Nrai yaki benefits part ki badan ho ka RCW kimya hado munta. Te ni na liang jong ka sen ni akblay ya ka sarkar ba ho ni ba ya kani ka scheme Meghalaya regular casual scheme 1996. Kala don ka to ha uni una September kan riuturi. Kan yo aku khasne. Te ni na kaliang jong ni ka sen ni akblay ya kani ka government damanta bahag ni government ni la pentrekam kala pentrekam ya kani ke scheme nrai katkum karata jo kani ke scheme aku pas yang kandak to ti ni ya iba habis na menshwa ni yo ya kini jumu toy baro nrai hakani ba kanti ni ya ni ag play usian jongi pandra ke sama ba haki department prepare don ki bala pentrekam don pat kumbanga omutan ki bapat pentrekam ro.
On August 28th, the Joint Action Committee representing 3 polling stations, Maus Mai, Langdong Dai and Misei, submitted a petition to Ba Penshngany NSM, Chairman of the Selection Committee, and Ba Penyak Sing CMA. The petition protests the transfer of 21 villages from Maushinrut to Rambrai Jerngam constituency, arguing that the new constituency is 80 kilometers away compared to just 20 kilometers to Maushinrut. The committee's chairman, Ba Jeremiah Dakhar, criticized the selection committee for holding a public hearing on August 20th without notifying the affected villages. He revealed that the decision was only communicated during a special session on August 21st. Dakhar warned that if the delimitation committee disregards their concerns, the villages will boycott the upcoming MDC elections as decided in their emergency meeting on August 27th.
Mentakasni nyelawan banyakandu yau CM ubadai uba pensian CM kumjuru ka Khubor nyelawan banyakandu yau PNCM ubadai penyaj sing CM ubadai CM jongka KHDC nyelawan banyakandu mentakasni hakabidai ban pensiau Shaki ba kato karai laneka special session jongka KHDC kabala jet hagni kisni kalong persya ya kajing singaw jongi ki arpoit li kisno kane kajing persya kalong hadin ba ka hearing arpo tarik benai bapra arjara pusau ki klem ai jing pentip yangi henry kila ong ba bat kila kamba kila ai jing tip yangi bat kila shim ya ka jing singaw jongi ki pajba bat ya kasur jongi ki pajba henry nakaleng jongi ki arpoit li kisno ki bahaba kini ki likely ki polling station ni klem yo kawai ru kajing tho ne official letter bandon hakata ka hearing kabadon kabadai arpotarik benai papra arjara pusau te dei halor kane ke benta bang iwan benta kasngi ban yakndo ya u CM ubadai ba penyacing sim bat kumjuru ya u PNCM ubadai u chairman jo kane ka selection committee ban persingau sheki ba kane kalong persya ya kajing kwa ba kajing singau jongi ki arpoitli kisno ki bahapa kini ki likely ki police station te ngila ai de jing tho da ka dorkhat ha ka bide ba kini ngila kadawru ya ka pon hamne ba nagaleng jongi kumur ba ka nyimpriang ra ya ka to ka rai ka bala de rai ha ka apuai tarik jong brai agos arja rap sau ka bala penhap ini sha ka ram rai jengnam naka motion road constituency te mentakasni ni klem la aban yang lu ki bro arngut henry nagaleng jongi nyala yo ban ya kren ki lengba phun te nagaleng jongi kila kular ini ban simkhya ban pej bene halor kane bat kumjuru nagaleng jongi nyala kerpat eki namarba lada ki penhap ini kemudba sha ramrai jangam kemudba kalong persya ya jingsio jongi.
Nongjri Presbyterian Secondary School from Ribhoi has triumphed in the Under-15 International Subrota Cup 2024, defeating Uttar Pradesh with 3-0 goals in the final held at ASC Ground, Bangalore. This victory marks a significant achievement as the 63rd Inter-School Subrota Cup is one of the most prestigious tournaments in India and neighbouring countries. Additionally, Meghalaya's team earned the title of Best Coach of the tournament. Notably, St. Anthony's High School Lajumkra was the first from the northeast to win the Subrota Cup in previous years. This win highlights the growing prominence of football in the region.
Big opportunity. Ryan, how will you take on this free kick, or what's your take on this free kick, brother?
I feel it's going to test the keeper. He goes for it. Straight in the hands of the goalkeeper. He doesn't collect it. And the follow-up goal is good. Meghalaya doubled their lead 34 minutes into the game. And that free kick has been converted, not directly through the rebound, but they will still take it as they double their lead here in the finals.
Meghalaya continues to prosper well, That's the brace for this youngster. Once again showing his predatory instincts, keeping a keen eye on the fez out in the box there and latching on to the delivery that mattered the most, and eventually poking it from handshaking distance into the back of the net. Once again a closer look there. The goalkeeper making a hash of affairs, and then Prosper well.
Again, it's Bantalang who switched up to the other side. And this is where they make it difficult for the opposition to comprehend. Here again, they come in from the left. He goes for goal and the goal comes in. 3-0. That is the nail in the coffin, we can say. As Meghalaya score, the crowd gets in on it. And it looks like we're about to crown our champion here.
और ये मैच के अंतिम क्षणों में टीम मेघालय ने एक और गोल किया है और अब स्कोर है 3-0।
That was absolutely brilliant, the way he scored out here. A picture perfect finish. Look at the setup there. A lovely first touch, and then a wonderful assist, and then almost just poking it into the back of the net as a
Done. और क्लोज हो जाना
to be presented to the winners team. I would like to call upon stage Mr. P.S. Naidu Kopinidhi of Central Bank of India to kindly give away the winning check to captain, coach and manager of Team Meghalaya.
प्लेयर सेंटर पे करेंगे प्लेयर सेंटर पे करेंगे
Now for the most awaited moment of today's prize distribution ceremony. I would like to request our chief guest, Air Marshal Nagesh Kapoor, to present the Champions Trophy to Non-Giri Presbyterian Secondary School, Meghalaya, for the Under-15 Sub-Juniors Boys category.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.